Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to do a total review on Willis Capital. This is my honest review about this prop firm, so you have to watch this video from now to the end to get all my reviews correctly. Welcome to this channel. What we do here is trade forex, review platforms, trade cryptocurrency, anything related to online platform. That's what you get here on Chemist Frank channel. So you have to subscribe to the channel, like this video. You can also join our Telegram channel, which the link is in the description box. In this Telegram channel, we provide accurate trade signals on daily basis. Alright, so join this community now. Welcome back. This is Willis Capital, a prop firm owned by Dapo Willis. He launched this prop firm on Sunday, that is 2 days ago. So the prop firm is live. You can now purchase your account, your $5,000 challenge, $10,000 challenge, and what have you. Let's do a total review on this challenge, and let's do a total review on this prop firm for you to know whether you can invest your money in this project or you still have to observe what's going on in the prop firm. First of all, let's look at what they say they do and their phases. That is their challenges. They actually have two phases, phase 1 and phase 2, and the minimum account is $10,000, as you can see. So you buy $10,000 challenge and you trade. When you pass first challenge, they will give you a second phase. When you pass the second phase, they will now fund you. Let me tell you, they say they are giving you a live money to trade. That is, Dapo Willis is funding you with his hard-earned money to trade. So when you pass phase 1, phase 2, he's giving you 10,000 US dollar, real money, not simulated account. $10,000 is 10 million naira, or let me say 10.2 million naira when you convert it to naira. So Dapo Willis is ready to entrust 10 million naira into your hands. And this is the minimum account. Let's look at other accounts. We have $25,000 account, which is roughly 25 million naira. So Dapo Willis is giving you a real $25,000. This is what he said he's doing. Okay, we are yet to come to the review aspect of it. Now, this is $50,000 account, which is the maximum. So Dapo Willis is ready to give traders $50,000 to trade. When you trade and make profit, you share it with Dapo Willis, and the split ratio is 70-30. Dapo Willis will take 30% of the profit you make, while you go home with 70% of the profit you make. All right, now let's go to the minimum challenge, which is $10,000. This $10,000, the target is for you to make 5%. All right, it is live, no simulated account. Then the profit split is what? 70-30. Minimum trading days is 5 days. You already know what minimum trading days mean. This means at least in that account, before you pass it, you must have taken 5 trades in 5 working days. All right, now the next is leverage. The leverage is 1:100. Not bad. Daily drawdown is 5%, and he is still emphasizing on the live. He's still emphasizing on the live, that this is a live money. All right, maximum drawdown is 10%. Okay, maximum drawdown is what? 10% of that account. So 10% of $10,000 is what Dapo Willis is willing to lose. So when you lose 10% of that $10,000, you're actually losing 10% of Dapo Willis money. Let me find out. 10% of $10,000 is how much? That is $1,000. So Dapo Willis is ready to lose $1,000. Real money. Now imagine you are losing 10% of $50,000. $50,000. That is how much? That is $5,000, I think. Daily drawdown is 10%. Down, time limit is infinite, unlimited time. You can take your time and pass these phases. They will give you expert advice. You can trade and hold your trades on weekend. You can trade news, then trade copier. You cannot copy trade. All right. Now Simulus add-on is a process, yes, and that. Now the money you will use in buying this account is $99, which is almost 100 USD. So when you pay $99, they will give you this challenge. This is $10,000 challenge, right? Now let's look at $25,000 challenge. In this case, let me just go straight to the amount you use in buying it. You pay $210 to buy this challenge, $25,000, right? Let's look at $50,000 challenge. How much will you pay? You have to pay 345 USD to purchase this challenge. All right, cool. Is this money a live account? Is this money really a live account? I will answer this question by looking into the broker which Dapo Willis is using for this profile. The broker they are using for this profile is called StarTrader. Like I said in my previous video, I have not heard much about StarTrader, but I've done a little research about them, and this is the result I got from them. First of all, let's look at StarTrader from Trustpilot. Now this is Trustpilot, and we are about to look into their broker, and the name of their broker is StarTrader, like I said before. So if you look at this review, the review is poor, is low. Now this is their score. Their score is 57%, which is not up to 60%, not to talk of 70%, which is A. Now let us look into what people are saying about this profile. Let's just take 1 or 2 or 3 persons what they are saying about this broker. Now if you look at the first comment here, somebody by name Mike Mattis, the person is saying, since 12th 2023 my withdrawal is with, then he says my withdrawal is with status releasing. See below how support is replying me. So what he's saying is that his withdrawal is still pending. Okay, he said, I tried multiple times to get the point why these people can delay my withdrawal for so long, but it's obvious they are simply scammers. Avoid this broker. Screenshot attached and evidence is there. I saw the screenshot he was talking about, and the withdrawal is actually pending for a while. All right, now another person said StarTrader is definitely a scam. This is coming from Joe Terry. Said StarTrader is definitely a scam. Cite the name in my display picture for help, or you will wait here forever. Okay, another person is saying StarTrader is one of the top 10 best. This is a positive review. He says cite the name. I think this person is looking for something. Another person says I made a transaction on StarTrader, and 3 days later the company closed my transaction and withdraw my $4,911. Profits deleted, and it left my principal money. Now he now started threatening them. He said, if they do not provide me with a reason why the profit was deleted and do not prove it, I will announce to the whole world, authority dealing with forex, that the people I know in the circle, that the company victimized the customer without providing a reason. If my problem is not solved, this is just talking about StarTrader being a scam and his personal experience with StarTrader. Okay, now if you read down, this is a positive review. Someone said a true 5-star thumbs up for me. This person says that StarTrader is okay for him. It's a positive review. He said a true 5-star thumbs up for me. Easy to use and very quick response. Delightful experience when trading. Withdraw with no problem at all. Okay, this is a positive review. Another positive review. Say account managers reply fast. Now I don't understand what this person means by account managers. Account management. To me, whenever I hear management of accounts in forex, what comes to my mind is scam. I don't manage accounts for people, but I teach you how to trade forex. I prefer pay me money, I will teach you how to trade, than managing your account for you. Now this person is saying account manager reply fast. You can, I think, I don't understand what he means by account manager. All right, now it says each copy trader platform is the best. It's a happy client here and giving you a 5-star review. I have been using their copy trade platform for 9 months now, and I'm very satisfied with its feature, traders to copy and all that. So that is all for information we will get from Trustpilot. Their review is poor on Trustpilot. Now let us look at scamadvisor.com. A scam advisor website is a professional website that tells us if a site is here to scam you or if a site is here to help us. So let's quickly look into StarTrader under Scam Advisor. Here is Scam Advisor, where we want to look at the final review on StarTrader. Now if you see the score on Scam Advisor, you will find out that we are getting 10/100, which is so poor on Scam Advisor. So StarTrader scoring 10/100 shows you that so many things are going on. All right, now let's go down and see why the score is so low. These are their negative highlights. Okay, the first one says that the identity of the owner of the website is hidden on whois.com. Again is the Tranco rank is rather low. All right, again is the website is located in a high risky country. High risky country means country where we have high scam activities. So the website location is in countries where scam activities are high. Now the reviews are either very positive or negative. The age of this site is very young, is very young. All right, the site StarTrader does not allow them to analyze their content, so they could not allow analysis to be done on their website. Now the main site has a lower ranking. All right, now at this juncture I will bring the video to an end. Please, this is my own personal review. You can do your own due diligence on this platform, that is on this profile, and tell us what you think. But if I'm in a position to talk to Dapo Willis, I will be like, sir, can you help us change the broker attached to Willis Capital? Can you work with another broker? If it is possible, I will advise we get another broker for Willis Capital profile. All right, because the highlights or the reviews surrounding StarTrader is really terrible, and we don't want to repeat the same thing Consummate did to us. All right, we don't want another party 2 of Consummate traders and another story coming up. So our amiable Dapo Willis, if you can hear the voice, can you change the broker? Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Like this video by clicking the like button. Join our Telegram channel. We are doing a free forex class. And if you want to know profirms that you can try out, apart from Dapo Willis profirm, you want to try out other profirms, this you will see a link above. Click on this link. You will see a video where I did a top 5 profirms you can try out in 2024. You can check it out. You can still use Dapo Willis Capital. There's nothing wrong. In fact, it is my own personal view. So from this video, make your conclusions. It is your personal thing. I'm not a financial advisor. It is you and your capital. I love you all. Please subscribe. Check out our next video dropping very soon. Bye for now.